Hope Uzodinma, the hour have come. The end don't be near. Osetigo, this young. I'm not talking about say Simon Akman talk saying go catch you alive. I'm talking about so many abominations where don't take place for your state. I will never forget the day when those 14 boys died for your state. They complain saying that you be the foundation of their death of that time. So many old women cry, papa, mama cry. 14 people, generation end for your state, and you are the governor of the state.
And to those who think they are under Nigeria and gallivanting, remember, I am very, very close to you. I'm telling you the fact. Very, very, very close that you can ever imagine. Very, very close. Hope Uzodinma, I am promising Biafra people one thing today. You see, Hope Uzodinma, we will capture him alive. That is what I'm promising Biafra today. I have never said anything and I didn't do it. There is nothing I have said that has not happened. Only Biafra that has not been declared. You see, Hope Uzodinma, we will capture him alive. Cut this particular video and send to him. He can't escape it. And then Biafra people will celebrate from there. Those who are bringing military, the terrorists to kill Biafrans, all of you will be captured one after the other. I am telling you the fact. You can't escape it. All of you will be captured and you are going to speak to Biafra when you are captured.
4th day of October 2023. This message goes to those who have been collecting money from the Nigeria terrorist government to stop Simon Ekpa. You have been disturbing our ambassador, a very beautiful, hard-working, law-abiding woman, our ambassador of Finland in Nigeria. I have disturbed her a lot, and enough is enough. Stop disturbing that woman. She is not there to aid terrorism. She is not there to support genocide. She is not there to abate a terrorist government. She is there as a diplomat, not to support your evil, not to support you. However, my message goes to some of you who have collected money to stop Simon Ekpa. Otale na-abịa n'azụ gị, ọ bụrụkwa mụ na-abịa.
Ogu Mozambique of Amere, Hope Uzodinma, and the Ebubago people. This Ebubago must end. We put stop to this Ebubago. They are doing a very big harm in our mama, Oru East, Oru West as a whole. Killing our youth for no reason. Why? Killing our youth for no reason. Ogu Mozambique is the commander. Ogu Mozambique is the commander of Ebubago, killing his brothers and sisters for no reason. Why? Why? It's not about Madole. 14 boys. 14 boys. And we want that the man. That we tear down. 14 boys. What did the 14 boys do? What did they do? Traditional marriage.
Governor Hope Uzodinma, His Excellency, sir, I greet you. To Ali. This one serve you right. He'll serve you right. How can a head of a state be seated on his seat and people are dying on daily basis, especially in Olo? Come to Olo. People are dying like fowls, chicken, like animal. Nobody is talking about it. Nobody is doing anything about it. Even the governor of the state feels less concerned. This is absolutely bad. This is bad. This man serve you right. In fact, I just wish the whole thing that is happening to Olo, one of your relatives, will be part of it, then you will know how it feels, how it pains to lose a blood, to lose a family member. I'm not concerned whether Biafra or no Biafra. What I am concerned is let there be calmness in Imo State. Let there be peace. Let there be unity. Let there be love. Let there be production in the state. That is what we are asking for. Nothing more. I beg, I'm not gonna share this video. Make the thing reach for him ear. Make they catch him. Make they catch him. Now waiting this. I beg, I'm not gonna share this video. Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. To all.